guys? Scat Pack Jazz here. Haven't posted a video in a while. I've been busy with work, school, and it's been raining, and I don't ride in the rain. So today, finally got a video going, and I'm gonna try to post videos more often. Appreciate all the new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Anyways, today I have a Rode Thunder speaker that I'll be installing on my Indian Scout bobber. Basically what it is. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
Matt, look.
So what's up, YouTube? About to try to install this speaker. I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all know usually my dad comes and takes over my videos and helps me, but his back is hurt. So I got my guy with me, Hunter, who rides, what do you ride?
I ride a 2002 Bandit 1200.
Who's gonna try to help me with this install today. So hopefully I can figure this out and help somebody else who wants to install these accessory speakers. Not entirely sure how to do this, but I know we're gonna start by taking off the seat and taking off the tank. And once I do that, I'll see if I can find the ACC key switch so I can plug the speaker into, so it runs off of the ignition and not the battery at all times. So I removed the seat, and now we are undoing these bolts, which are a half, to get the tank off so we can run the wires and find the ACC key switch. And after we do that, we have to remove the fuel line, which I don't know if you guys can see is right there. Well, you guys knew he was gonna come out here anyway. He can't have me doing anything by myself. Y'all know how I go. So we got the tank off. Kind of once you get the fuel thing disconnected, you're kind of sliding it back. Leaked a little bit of fuel that was left in the line. Now we're just figuring out how to run this. And yeah, bada bing, bada bam. So far we had to put like the second to smallest attachment that came in. The attachments look like this. So the second to smallest. Got it kind of where I wanted it. By the way, the bolt on here is 10 millimeters. We have to tighten it for the socket set. So yeah, I think I like the look. Still got to tighten this part, and I'll keep that for wobbling. So I got the speaker kind of installed. Still a little, not that wobbly, a little wobbly, but yeah, those little baby screws are setting screws. Oh, this handlebar specific on the Scout bobber took the 1-inch handlebar thingy. I looked it up. Now I'm gonna put the fuel tank back on, and then my dad's gonna hook this up later because I have no idea where the AC key switch is. So what's up, YouTube? It's actually been a while since I recorded, because long story short, I was recording a video of me installing the speaker system on my bike. My dad didn't really want to work on it that day, and I needed help trying to find the key to the switch. And then everybody in my house fell down with COVID, and school, work just got busy. So today we're finally finishing hooking up the speaker. And also, I guess my name can't be Scat Pack Jazz anymore because I don't have a Scat Pack anymore. But yeah, so help me come out with a new name. That'd be great. So this is the new car. Can't be Scat Pack Jazz. This is my 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude Edition. So it's like a Sahara with like a cooler trim, with the painted bumpers and all that stuff. It's kind of dirty. And one thing special about this Jeep is it's the 3.0 diesel engine. So it got a little bit of power, you know. It's not Scat Pack power anymore, but I like it, you know. Fully loaded. Everything in it. Nice trim, seats, anyways. So yeah, you guys let me know if y'all want a video on the Jeep Wrangler, but I'm just showing y'all for now. So I think I originally started this probably 3 months ago. I know, Daddy, chill. Dang, you just ruining my video. So anyways, started this like 3 months ago. Didn't finish it. Right now my dad's looking for a key. I don't know what that means, but you know, he's the real electronics tech. I'm just a fake one. So we finally found the switch that's a key switch, so the power is not on when the ignition's not on. It's the pink wire. We have no idea what it goes to. but that's the one we're going to use. So right now we're disconnecting the battery, and so we can hook up the speaker wires to it. So
Internet and wireless so good.
pink wire.
Get Xfinity.
So right here we're basically checking for continuity. I probably said that word wrong, but it read as a short, so you know it's good to go. Right here is because we forgot to put the actual fuses in the fuse holders on the orange cable and the other cable that has an option for the fuse. So yeah, don't forget to put the fuses in there. So here I'm basically about to connect it to my phone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Works pretty easy. It's called My MTX. So this is one of my buddy's songs. So the only song I actually got like copyright allowed to listen to, so sorry if this isn't your style of music, but this is what it is. I'm gonna see how it sounds when I crank up the engine, if it still sounds good. So it actually sounded pretty good, but I think because I had the camera right next to the pipes, I should have had it more in the sensor. You can hear it because I ride it all the time and I can hear the music perfectly clear. So if you notice in the video, I had to like mute a lot of the stuff because my dad always jams out to music while he's working on stuff. So I don't want to run any copyright issues. So you guys missed a lot of funny comments that he made along the way. But next time I'll keep that in mind. The next video will probably be installing our truck horns that he got for the motorcycles, because apparently I don't know how to ride, so I need to make sure I can get people out the way. But thanks for watching. I'm going to try to be more consistent with posting videos.